Birds. Although they're also the masters of the land and sea. No other group of animals can venture so high in the air. Nests of all land masses and dive such great depths below the water. Images of birds and flights are now that right here is a green wing macaw, also known as a black wing macaw. Macaws are widespread among the forests and woodlands of northern and central South America. And there you go, show the fishes spotted. A round of applause for bandits! So hello everyone, welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Theater. My name is Aljo, and I'll be your host for today's show. Today we'll be battling it out over a basketball game. Now here's Blue, and we have Azul right here. But before we start our game, let me divide the guys into two groups. Now for the boys, let me cheer for Blue. Say, go Blue, go Blue. And for the girls, let me cheer for Azul. Say, go Azul, go Azul. Now guys, are you ready for a basketball game? Now energy again, are you guys ready? Now birds ready, cheers ready, set. Go, let's go Blue, let's go Blue, let's go Azul. Okay, now first ball for Blue. Late Azul. Now second ball for Blue. And Blue wins this game. Last time Azul. Okay, now trainer Mary. Judy Johnson Azul. What can you say? Oh, she wants another round, trainer. Are you sure about that? With Azul choose again. Oh my. So trainer, what game do you have in mind?
I suggest the ring race. Now the mechanics of this game is the first bird to drop all the babies into the pool and fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race.
Now ring race it shall be. Now remember Blue and the boys. Come on, ready, set, go, let's go Blue, let's go Blue, let's go Azul. Okay, now first ring for Blue. Okay, set ring for Blue. What is this? Azul makes the three rings at the same time. How clever was that Azul? Well now trainer Mark, I guess you lost this game. What can you say? What was that trainer Mary? You guys cheated! Ooh, was that cheating trainer?
No, I didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
That's right, a round of applause for Blue and Azul. Now face me. Extend your left arm sideways. Okay, now I'll be inserting your money bill here. Okay, so no matter what happens, please do not move or sway your arms, okay? Okay, now let's call it our money bird, Blue. Now Blue blanks. Now let's see Blue. Okay, let's wait for Blue. Let's go Blue. And swing again. And try again, come on. Okay, round two. Let's go Blue. Blue flies over. Then takes the money. Blue flies to the table and guess what Blue wants to? There you go. Donate your money. Wow, is it okay if Blue donated your money? How can I donate your money? Okay, yeah, since it's okay, how about second round? A higher bill this time. 1,000. No, just kidding, mom. It's just part of the show. We'll be returning your money. But first, Blue wants to have my photo with you right here. So please follow our trainer's instructions. Okay, now smile and pose together with our money bird. Blue. Praise bandit or green wing. Right there with trainer Mary. Is Yoshi or Blue named Barrett? Okay, now to start with is Bandit right there on our green wing. As you can see, Bandit is covered with red plumage, with green and blue on its feather wings. Now its face is white, naked, striped with small red feathers. Now Bandit's scientific name is Archaeopteryx. Now select everyone, Bandit, say hi! How about the other side, Bandit? Say hello! Now next up is our blue and gold macaw named Blue on its back, with a solid yellow color on its belly and under its wings. Now its eyes and beaks are solid black. Blue's scientific name is Arona. Let's call it Bandit, as you'll try to put the sheeps in the correct spots. Okay, let's go, Bandit. What to live and what is dangerous for them? A round of applause for Bandits! Yeah, right or in the middle, left, right, middle. Okay, majority hits, let's put it right here. Now it's all set, let's call it our psychic bird, Goldie. Now if you think Goldie has psychic powers, let me read for her. Say, you can do it, Goldie! Okay, Goldie, please find the hidden check. We'll be searching, scanning each cup. And we found it, a round of applause for Goldie! Right there with Trainer Dre is our Moluccan cockatoo named Snow. Right there with Trainer Mark is Nigel right there, our umbrella cockatoo. Now Nigel has a woolly white dress that faces like an umbrella. So kung sa kaniyang dress, pura na siya with umbrella. Now the scientific name is Cockatoo Calima. Next up is our Tweety, our silver-breasted cockatoo. So mauna siya. Now, who here loves mathematics? Kasi ganang math derivative. Oh, wala na. How about addition? Oh, very simple. Addition. Right now, our next featured bird will be the most coupled and amazed, even us trainers. But before we call in our great mathematician, I'll be asking you guys to run the great actions by Snow. Now Snow, please review the equation that Snow studied last night. Okay, now Snow, please answer the equation. Okay, Snow picks the first number. Is the first number correct? Yes, that's Snow. Now Snow, please finish your answer. Okay, so 16 plus 7 equals 23. Is no correct? A round of applause for a great mathematicians. No. Our brownie kite named Kingdom. Brownie kite scientifically known as Aliaster Si familiar na ka-bird mo na siya sa loob sa show ni Kuya Kim na Matang Lali. And that is it for Brownie Kite Kingdom. Up next is our white-bellied seagulls can be found in Southeast Asia and Australia. They are characterized by its white head and body, with gray feathers on the wing. Now in Australia, they're known as the second largest raptor, with a wingspan of about 2.2 meters. Itong mga birds, ha? Thank you! White-bellied seagulls primarily feed on sea snakes. Sea turtles. Now in the world of birds of prey, female eagles are usually larger than the male. It is because of their nesting and rearing behavior. Trainers are wearing gloves, and that is called a falcon reed gauntlet. It is used for and there you go, our white-bellied seagull named Aggie. Now for more flying birds, please look to your left as we call it. Our homing pigeons have special ability. In Cebu Ocean Park, our Philippine Rufus hornbill named Sir. Another bird here is locally known as Kalaw, or Clock of the Mountains. It is because of the strange and loud booming calls every noon. Now to the right here is an omnivore, and not only in flesh, but also in roots. Two loves to jump from perch to perch, showing off its unique ability. And finally, Toot also is an excellent food catcher. Okay, Toot, let's show them. Okay, Toot, first. Alright, now second Toot. Alright, now ready your camera system will show you a trick and it goes 3, 1, 2, 3. Our Philippine Rufus hornbill named Toot. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. Now who knows that? Earth is the only place you live, and that is why we have responsibility to take care of it. Now by simple means like this, we can take change, reduce waste, use plastics, and recycle everything we can. See if our birds can... Okay, let's go, Bandit! Alright, Merry Christmas, everyone! Now, I think it's virtual, and I would like to thank everyone who made the show possible. We have Trainer Jazzy out there as our DJ, Trainer Dre with Bandit, Trainer Urban with Tub, Trainer Mary, Trainer Nick, Trainer Vince, Trainer Mark at the back of the house. And this is the Alton Euros. Thank you for watching and to say thank you for visiting Cebu Ocean Park. Also, if you want to have a photo opportunity with the lovely birds, you can come down here and form a line. But photos, don't be taken or we shall not